Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to see how to download Young Forever theme for MIUI devices. This requires Android Pie update on your devices. Today we are going to show how to install it for the POCOF1 phone. You can follow the same steps for other devices as well. This not only changes the charging animation, guys, entire animation has been changed. You can see animation in all the applications. This is very fantastic to use and also very nice background to see. This theme not only changed charging animation, this theme has changed the complete view of all the applications. You can see animation in all the applications is very nice and sleek and very smooth. You can see that the clock animation also. This animation is really fantastic, guys. This animation is really fantastic. I'm really impressed with this animation. Without further ado, we'll see how to install this Young Forever theme for the MIUI devices. I have given all the link in description, guys. You can directly click on the description. You can able to download. Otherwise, you just copy the URL and paste it in Chrome browser. We'll follow this step by step. Okay, first you open the Chrome browser. In Chrome browser, I copied the URL and I will paste and I will download that. I already downloaded it. Once again I will download to show how to download this theme Young Forever application. After you entering the URL in the browser, you can able to view that screen, and next you click on the download button. Okay, it takes some times to download. Okay, but it finally I am able to download that. You can see that it is little bit blur, guys. Please adjust. Okay, now you can see that it is only 12 MB files, guys. Click on download option, click on OK. Okay, it will get download automatically. You can see that it is downloading in the background. Totally 12 MB, guys. It will take some times to download. Once it will get downloaded, I will show how to apply this theme in your devices. For this, we require another application to support this. We will get that application in Play Stores. I given that link also in the description. Directly you click on that link, you can able to download. The application name is Theme Swap. Clean Swap. I already downloaded that in. Once again I will show how to download that. You just type Theme Swap in Play Stores and first application would be that. The first application would be that. You just click on that and you just install that. I already downloaded that. Just I will open that. Okay, once I have opened that, I will show how to apply that. You have to click on that plus icon. You need to search for where that theme has been downloaded. You directly go to that folder. Here I will show which folder it has been downloaded. I will directly go to that folder. Yeah, finally I got it, that folder. I will show. Okay, here you can see this, that application, that theme has been downloaded here. Just you click on that theme and you come back and click on that Young Forever theme, pack theme. Click on the pack theme option. So it will get a packing, will take some time. So it hardly take 2 to 3 minutes. Once it will get packed, it asking to apply that. You just click on the yes option, it will get applied. Now that theme has been applied to mobile. You can see that my animation has been changed, my home screen has been changed, and icon has been changed. Everything has been changed in my mobile. And you just lock your device. You can see the home screen theme options. I will choose last to second one because it having the night mode also. Once you selected that, I will put my mobile into charge. We'll check that animation has been successfully applied to my mobile or not. Once again I will lock my device. Yeah, we can see that charging animation has been successfully applied to my mobile. It looks very nice because it having the dark mode also. I recommend everyone to use last to second one because it looks very nice. Hope this video is useful to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Please don't forget to like. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.